I've said this time without number. Let me repeat it. B0dy, the way some people are misbehaving, huh? Omu kura NPP ba bemwa. Yebeko na yakoyi omufun na yinumodi.
Okay, current appointees maybe.
Yes, some of the people misbehaving today.
Yeah.
Even if they die, we'll go and exhume their bodies and deal with them. In fact, even Omu ghost crowd will go after their ghosts. And then when you're 2 million, you are misbehaving.
Very important.
It's very important. That's why I keep saying that some of Nyamana Ekoson, we are taking political notice of it. ABO, there's no point minding them. Because I'm say yes, you will be. Okay. And I national chairman. And I say, and I say, okay, no problem.
Because Professor Kenatifa said no retirement. Then this is for a man dismissal. Will be an retire 3 or 4 months to elections. But I'm bad, no friendly retirement, but dismissal. I support it.
And who going to exhume their dead bodies and come and deal with them? If they are thinking, say, we can misbehave and go scot free. No. Politics are here, you do me, I do you. But I've said this time without number. Let me repeat it. B0dy, the way some people are misbehaving, huh? Omu kura NPP ba bemwa. Yebeko na yakoyi omufun na yinumodi.
Okay, current appointees maybe.
Yes, some of the people misbehaving today.
Yeah.
Even if they die, we'll go and exhume their bodies and deal with them. In fact, even Omu ghost crowd will go after their ghosts. And then when you're 2 million, you are misbehaving.
Very important.
It's very important. That's why I keep saying that some of Nyamana Ekoson, we are taking political notice of it. ABO, there's no point minding them. Because I'm say yes, you will be. Okay. And I national chairman. And I say, and I say, okay, no problem.
Because Professor Kenatifa said no retirement. Then this is for a man dismissal. Will be an retire 3 or 4 months to elections. But I'm bad, no friendly retirement, but dismissal. I support it.
And who going to exhume their dead bodies and come and deal with them? If they are thinking, say, we can misbehave and go scot free. No. Politics are here, you do me, I do you. But
Ivory Coast was say over 8,000 refugees returned home from Ivory Coast. 1,000 Ghanaian refugees have safely returned home from Ivory Coast. Mr. Samuel Okujetu Ablakwa, Ghana's Foreign Affairs Minister, has revealed. How can you authoritatively say they have safely returned home? For all you know, how would you know? And you make a categorical statement, say they have safely returned home. And now the motinapa kaimu, and I would have basket farm, and yawa. I buy this one for me. Was say, Mr. Blackwell noted that the latest census conducted revealed that of the 13,253 displaced Ghanaians who originally sought refuge in the Ivory Coast, there were 5,309 remaining in the Ivory Coast. Oh, child's play. Very enemy used to be where they go for CC. This is a very bunkum analysis by the Foreign Affairs Minister. Bunkum analysis. Bunkum. Say, Ghana for enterprise so much Aquata Ivory Coast. And then I'm going to Ivory Coast from Penny for a kind warm. Omo 13,000 over. Ya catch a Ghana buying. Also see you. What the more the chest will be one cup. Maybe I make a story I'm yaking kind. And then Foreign Affairs Minister Echo. What corner ya kind warm 13,000 no. Yes, I got 5,000 and something. Was okay, so any mom calculator 13,000. What's 5,000 free ma? Ebeka 8,000. I said, debe. It decided, yeah. Conclusion is 8,000. I'm go back to Ghana. That is the analysis. As you guys say, boy, this is a very bukum analysis. Yes, boy, Maka, Okuja, see, President Mahama, Ghana ni masi. So we Okuja to black for the first minister. Well, eti position na Vetogbeho no occupy as foreign affairs minister any. For position na Hanatete occupy as foreign affairs minister no any. Position na Adodagwa Kufuor occupy no any ana. Position na my friend say, Shelly ayoko botchi any.
The Secretary Commonwealth Secretary General.
Any say enipa etu afri Ghana. Anya na do mkwai by omukwa akwa kan wo mu. Wasa akwa obi mu amakan wo mu na enipa no so atia. Nyanse wo butim ni kira wo say omuni ho de a e no ma Ghana. Edene kire Sekaye na ka okay me ba so it between Ghana and Ivory Coast border no ye ni immigration pedifo it mutimi nka say ebia from immigration he say no any pay free Ghana ekwadwane call Ivory Coast no mu say but immigration for us aka say out of 13,000 no 8,000 aba back to Ghana, so it is believed say 8,000 aba back to Ghana and we are hoping to even settle them. One man kasa ba wunyanse mu no wokwa say what free keke no straight away omunyina ba back to Ghana. I make such a bukum analysis ye kwaka musibui eka musibu the IP address mamu mfa IP address bia kopo bio mu na mo mfrefra ye mo fa mo pa one day no pa mo so 6 o'clock no mo bo register and fa IP address me use state money bia mo bo edin e be ba na mo nche yen. Such a reckless government, inhumane and very dishonest government led by President Mahama. No principles. One kind before election, politicians are near here and Takra, Yikakra, and Cracker, Yemukras Yanka, Antonio Defem. Yamiba program in Beya. That was about 1 hour ago. Menema make a sign. And I now quite what to say this. You see, John Mahama is creating a sense of insecurity, and you are oppressing the media, you are oppressing social media activists. Bebe menina dunu menka say me bro afutuo so. Okay, me bro afutuo so. If you say obi etimi tunufo. But for the past 2 months, every day bia man be gusa na me bedi nkobo. Me frifie ba na ya no hwo kasa ye. Edebade na asi. Because we have a tyrant in the person of President Mahama, a democratic tyrant. Because at the weekend, President Muya, wako share media for wokasa. Who be one was say, IP at ye national, ya mom. Open kwa Musa said President Mahama bayi. Signals Bureau never honor. The Musa says cabana damum, equipment what I'm go for. The more you say you know what that do. And you, the president, you look us in the cameras, catch you say, the IP address, abba, kamobinka. Somebody who tags yourself as a communication person, kamobinka. Somebody who is a member of Ghana Journalists Association, kamobinka. Somebody who wrote a letter to then certain president, 11th February 2022. Say was suppressing media. And the wuyeni. Come away there. About too quick. Come away quick gam a kama. As you can say, uncle.
Yeah. Ghana ye we Sisiano, enije eni omainimu. Baby abe febiano isume druyen. Enone adie bakwa eda we Sisia. Because ye timi di bibia ye politics ewo omainimu. Ama nipa nkwa no ye politics. What I say? Bibia aye politics. She say ntokwesi oko. Na woman pehin wajina baby after senior me krumu for krano omo manya asumdwe nti mo nhwe so na mo ntena saa endi na watching endi 1 month kra na ntokwa na si wono an backyard ne backyard na esi ye no omo na esi omo refugees no a otewo na ohwe ama ade nyina ekoso ewo ni fie na onka ho hwe it means say NDC aban no omo ndwin nipa ho omo mu de ni say yenya tumi na yenkonkwa yemfa nipa enye hwe wo man mu. That is what they are doing na omo minister obolo no Sam George minister Sam George me de oyobolo
dabi obolo ye dabi ye no ye you know the me instrument enya allowed I think say no your body shaming it's body thing
Sam George omo nsem bi a omo keka ye
yoko ni omo ye no eka ho
yeah and I
no match for 10 million me koton se bi me sure na me register 10 million
so me put there 50 million
want me 50 million hanan anano there
ono so no na year mo say
100 million 80 million Kokoton the finger and
it's a cotton the kidney.
Kokoton the kidney. We think that this is outrageous. It is share with this some wickedness. And Omayan is targeted to NPP people. Nancy we are enomochi Akpalu. Festival Kofi Akpalu. Ya kwa siya, offer 10 million bra. Kofi Akpalu say we need 10 million. Inti iyo kopozo, look, national security.